Kitchen by Sam Fender is played in C-sharp standard tuning. Now we're going to be looking at the song in standard tuning here so you can get started right away. If you do want to jam along with the song, you will have to detune to C-sharp standard. The chords for the verse are E major and D sus2. I'm going to stay on the E for 1.5 bars, which from down, 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 down. On the 2 and we're going to swap to the D sus2 and strum up, down, down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and that repeats throughout the verse. For the chorus, we're going to spend 2 bars on the G, strum down, 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 up into the F sharp 7, same rhythm, down, 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 up, and twice through the E to D section. And back through the G, F sharp 7, E section. Back through the verse. Good luck jamming along with this one. Thanks for watching and take care.